This is a brand new 2013 Honda Pilot. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a locking rear differential, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.